Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new product called Lawn Soaker. Lawn Soaker is a premium lawn hydration solution that can help your lawn during water restrictions. Water restrictions are now in place in some areas or about to be raised even higher in others. Keeping your lawn healthy and hydrated is becoming more and more difficult. After long periods of dry weather, soils can become dehydrated, and this is when the hydrophobic surface is exposed. This surface stops water from penetrating efficiently. Instead of wasting more water, you need to fix the problem. You can do this by applying a wetting agent. This is where Lawn Soaker comes in. Wetting agents are like a detergent or surfactant that attract water to the soil's surface, helping it to soak in and improve infiltration. This reduces water runoff, encourages deeper roots, which helps to make your lawn more drought tolerant. Lawn Soaker is a ready-to-use soil wetting agent specifically developed for use on lawns. It comes in a 2-litre ready-to-use bottle that easily clips to your hose and will cover up to 150 square metres. Apply as frequently as necessary to treat water-repellent soil and improve drought resistance. Make sure you adhere to your local water restriction guidelines whenever applying to your lawn. Saving water is so important during water restrictions, so if you feel as though your lawn isn't performing as it should, take some positive action to reduce your water use and improve the drought tolerance of your lawn with Lawn Soaker.